Hi guys, and welcome to my first series on the Arduino. Now this series has been designed for people who are complete beginner to Arduino and electronics, and we're going to go from step one and build everything from the ground up. There's no assumed knowledge, and I'm not going to get too crazy technical. I'm not going to get too far into backgrounds of things and do lots of crazy math, but I want to give you a good solid understanding of some basic electronic components and using Arduino, hooking up things, and what kind of programming we can learn to create some fun projects. Now there's a series of different smaller projects in this Arduino series, and they're all leading towards a final project at the end, which will be combining all of the other bits and pieces together to make an LED game. So let's go and have a look at that project. So here we have our LED game project, which we'll be working towards through this series. So we'll be creating a bunch of smaller projects along the way to learn all of the separate components and features of this project. So as you see, some of these components like buttons and LEDs and the LCD screen being used throughout the lessons, you can see how we'll be working towards this one. So let's turn it on and see how it goes. I can use my 9-volt battery to turn it on through the barrel jack, or you can power it with your USB cable. Now we've got a screen that tells us the score, and the LEDs blink back and forth like that, and the goal is to press the button when the when the red LED is lit up, and each time you do, it increases your score, and the LEDs go back and forth just a little bit faster. So let's see how we go. Here we go, I scored 1 point. You can't really tell that it's got faster yet, but after a few goes, it really starts to move. Probably the first 5 or so are pretty easy. I say that now, I'll probably lose before that. There we go. You can probably tell it's going a little bit quicker now. A little bit quicker. I think my record has been 12 or 13. So let's see if we can make a new record. Oh, it's going quite fast now. Oh, I didn't quite make it. Got up to 9 though, so when it's game over, it tells you a score, all the LEDs light up, and you can start again by pressing the reset button on the Arduino. Resets the program, and it's ready to play again. There we go. So there we go. By the end of this series, you'll be able to put together everything we've learnt and create that LED game project you just saw. You'll have a good understanding of some most commonly seen electronic components, and you'll have a good fundamental in programming as well. So enjoy the lessons, and thanks for watching.